Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again I go by the name Psychon FXT, so that we don't throw away a few, throw what we see. So right guys, this is V10 analysis, okay, which we made, okay. We made this analysis. Now this first one went off while I was asleep, so I couldn't catch it on time because I don't really love all this limit setting of a thing. Okay, so I wanted to catch it on time. So I missed it, okay. So you can see that we had on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we saw that there was a change of character around this area. A 4 hours time frame, we had this, and we knew that it was a change of character in a lower time frame. Which, if you go to 30 minutes time frame, you are going to see it. Okay, 30 minutes time, you are going to see that this is a change of character right here, and this was the major inducement. Okay, and this here seemed to be uh, the BSL. Okay, so and then price came to the POI. Price came to our POI, and we waited for a lower time frame change of character as usual. So price gave us a lower time frame change of character, which is this little black line. Hold on, which is this little black line which you are seeing here. Okay, the black line you're seeing here, it was a change of character, and before the change of character, price gave us this minor inducement. Okay, this inducement before the change of character. So we marked out the inducement and waited for price to come back to it. So after price broke structure, price kept dancing around, created a high, and then came back, tapped into this POI, and then moved off. So we I was asleep by that time because this must have happened at midnight, because I was monitoring it until midnight. So then I slept off. I would have dropped the signal in a WhatsApp group, and as we all know, our guys would have been on blues. Okay, so now this is the second opportunity we are going to catch it. When I woke up this morning, I saw that price already gone far, so we had to allow it to run, and then we marked here as break of structure. Now the price has taken out the inducement here. This has become a valid swing point. Okay, this here has become a valid swing point. Okay, so if price should take this out without tapping our POI, it has become a valid break of structure. Okay, so now price takes out this inducement here, and if you go down to another much more lower time frame for clarity, this is 30 minutes time frame, you go to 15 minutes time frame. Here again, you will see that this here is a relative equal low. This is a relative equal low. Okay, so some people will say, most traders, they have different names for this thing. They might call it engineered liquidity. Okay, they might call it, yeah, some people might call it engineered liquidity. So as we see the relative equal lows right here at this point, what you are going to do is you can set your limits at this place. Okay, so what you are waiting for is for price to come down, tap on this. Okay, take out the relative equal lows, tap on our POI, and then move upwards. Okay, you can move upwards, and then we anticipate price to get to this major inducement area. That is where our original TP will be. Okay, because they're not looking for much in the market, so that's what we are hoping to get from the market. But mind you, like we said before, if price should break this high without tapping our POI, then we continue to market that way until we get um, our entry to join. Nobody's rushing the market anymore. Okay, so let's go. I go by the name Psychon FX to say that we don't throw what we feel, we throw what we see. See you guys in the next videos to come. And to get our free analysis, the link is in our bio, our chat analysis channel. Yeah, the link is there in our bio. It is free. Okay, you're not paying money to join to get analysis, it's just free. Then to join our signal group, which costs $10 for 2 weeks, okay, you have to contact Psychon FS on Telegram. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.